In today's Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine Threading tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how to install the upper thread. This video series is well under 3 minutes, so you can quickly step away from your screens and get crafting. Let's get started. Step 1. With the needle in the highest position, lift the presser foot. Step 2. Install the top spindle. Step 3. Watch how I hold the thread reel and place it on the top spindle. Step 4. Grab the end of the thread and pass it through the 6 numbered passing points like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Step 5. Pass the thread to that little horizontal hook. Step 6. Lower the presser foot. Step 7. Grab the automatic needle threader and bring it down halfway. Step 8. Grab the end of the thread and sweep it under that little hook towards the left. Step 9. Bring the automatic needle threader all the way down and pivot it so that it touches the eye of the needle. Step 10. Holding the thread taut, sweep it to the right and under the tiny hook which is now poking out through the eye of the needle. Step 11. Release the end of the thread and release the automatic needle threader as well. You will now see a loop of thread behind the needle. Simply pull it all the way through and your needle is finally threaded. And that's it. To quickly learn how to fill your Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine bobbin in under 2 minutes, watch this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!